Hi! In front of me is OUKITEL WP23, and today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard's theme. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access System. Following that, tap on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Now tap on Theme section. Finally, you can scroll all the way down and click on Show More at the bottom right corners. This way you will see all available themes. After finding the best one for you, click on it. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher. And last but not least, hit Apply. As you can see, after that, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you want to go back to the default one, click on one of those options in Keyboard Theme Settings. Then tap on Apply again. In order to customize your theme, select this plus under My Themes. Then tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Now select Next. Adjust the brightness by swiping left or right. Tap on Done. Manage key borders. Okay, that's a glitch, so we will try again. Next, brightness, done. And finally, click on this switcher next to key borders to manage them. Lastly, hit Apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!